Oh yeah, no, hi, my name is Daniel Fleshman. I was calling about, was it?
Yes?
Awesome. Are you the property owner?
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah, my name was Daniel. I'm sorry, your name? Oh, pleasure to meet you. Yes. Yeah, beautiful home. I was just curious. Was there any reason that you're selling? Oh, nice. That'll be great. That'll be great. Hey, so just a quick question for you. I work with a local agent. Okay. Are you around today? You home now?
The agent?
Yeah, the agent. Yeah, she'll text her information over, correct.
Okay.
Her name's First Team Real Estate in Yorba Linda. Yeah. She can come now? Okay, later? Do you have any time later today or just tomorrow? Tomorrow at 1? Okay, great. I'll have her text you and email you. What's your best email? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Gmail, great. And do you own the property yourself or with anybody else? Oh, okay. Is there anybody else on title? Oh, okay. And will your husband be there as well? Okay.